Did you know that a liger, a hybrid between a lion and a tiger, can weigh up to 900 pounds, making it the largest cat in the world? Welcome to the surprising and complex world of hybrid animals. In the grand tapestry of life, nature often paints with a palette that's far more diverse than we might initially imagine. One of its most intriguing brushes is the phenomenon of hybridization. Hybrid animals like our hefty friend the liger are the offspring of two animals from different species, and these aren't just oddballs or anomalies. They're fascinating testaments to the adaptability and diversity of life on Earth. Take the liger, for instance. This majestic creature is the offspring of a male lion and a female tiger, and its size, well, it's nothing short of staggering. Tipping the scales at around 900 pounds, it's the largest cat in the world, surpassing even its parents in size. But it's not just about size. Each hybrid animal carries a unique set of traits and adaptations, a blend of their parents' characteristics. It's like nature's very own experiment, mixing and matching traits to see what works best. Some hybrids, like the zonkey, a zebra-donkey hybrid, offer practical benefits, such as disease resistance. Others, like the holphin, a hybrid of a dolphin and a false killer whale, are incredibly rare and primarily found in captivity. These fascinating creatures raise a host of questions about genetics, evolution, and the impact of environmental factors on wildlife. For instance, the pizzly bear, a hybrid of a polar bear and a grizzly, is becoming more common due to changes in the Arctic climate. Hybrid animals represent a fascinating intersection of genetics, conservation, and human curiosity. They challenge our notions of what's natural and remind us of the complex, ever-changing nature of life on Earth. Now that we've piqued your interest with the liger, let's dive into the role of these fascinating creatures in nature. When it comes to the role of hybrids in nature, it's a complex and multifaceted topic. But let's dive in and untangle some of these intricacies. The world of hybrids is not just about the creation of unusual species, but it also holds practical benefits. Consider the zonkies and beefalo. Zonkies, a cross between zebras and donkeys, inherit a strong immune system, making them resistant to diseases that affect many equine species. Similarly, beefalo, a cross between bison and domestic cattle, offer a unique blend of traits. They provide high-quality meat, similar to cattle, but with the hardiness and resilience of bison. These hybrid animals serve as a living testament to how interbreeding can lead to enhanced attributes that can be beneficial for their survival. But the story of hybrids is not only about the benefits. It's also a tale of how our changing environment impacts wildlife. Take the case of the pizzly bear, a hybrid of polar bears and grizzly bears. This hybrid is emerging more frequently in the wild due to the effects of climate change. As the Arctic warms, the territories of polar bears and grizzlies are overlapping more than ever before, leading to these unusual unions. The existence of pizzlies is a stark reminder of how environmental changes can lead to unexpected outcomes in nature. So the role of hybrids in nature is not just about creating fascinating new species. It's also about adaptation, survival, and the response to environmental changes. It's about the merging of traits that help animals survive in their changing habitats. And it's about the unexpected and intriguing surprises that Mother Nature throws our way. As we see, the existence of hybrid animals can be a testament to our changing world. Hybrid animals, while fascinating, are often shrouded in controversy. As we delve further into the world of hybrid animals, we venture into a realm of ethical debates and environmental concerns. The creation of hybrid animals, particularly those found primarily in captivity such as ligers and holphins, is not without its critics. The first point of contention involves the well-being of these animals themselves. Hybrids often face unique health issues, as the genetic mashup may result in a creature that is prone to certain diseases or physical abnormalities. For instance, ligers, the offspring of lions and tigers, can grow to be much larger than either parent, which can lead to a host of health problems. Furthermore, the unnatural environment of captivity can impose significant stress on these creatures, affecting their physical health and psychological well-being. Such animals are not only removed from their natural habitats, but are also forced into a genetic lineage that they wouldn't naturally be a part of. Then there's the issue of biodiversity. Some argue that the creation of hybrids risks diluting the gene pool of the original species, potentially leading to their decline or even extinction. This is particularly concerning in the case of endangered species. For example, when a polar bear mates with a grizzly bear to produce a pizzly, the unique genetic traits of the polar bear become less prevalent, pushing them one step closer to vanishing from the planet entirely. But it's not all bleak. These concerns also spark conversations about conservation efforts and our responsibility towards the animals we share this planet with. They prompt us to question the ethics of human intervention in nature and to consider the far-reaching impacts of our actions. So, while hybrids can be fascinating, they also invite us to reflect on our responsibility towards nature. The future of hybrid animals is uncertain, but it's undoubtedly an area of interest for scientists and animal lovers alike. As we venture deeper into the 21st century, this intriguing intersection of genetics, conservation, and human curiosity promises to reveal more about the natural world than ever before. Hybrid animals have long been the subject of scientific research. Scientists are keen to understand the genetic mechanisms behind these unique creatures. They are delving into their DNA, uncovering the secrets of their unique traits and adaptations. From the disease resistance of the zonkey to the meat quality of the beefalo, there's much to learn and much to be gained. Conservation efforts are also becoming increasingly intertwined with the world of hybrids. As we grapple with the effects of climate change and habitat loss, hybrids like the pizzly bear are emerging as poignant symbols of our changing world. These animals, born of two species adapting to a shared environment, are a testament to nature's incredible resilience. However, the impact of climate change on the creation of hybrid animals is a double-edged sword. While it is fascinating to see new species emerge, it's also a stark reminder of the pressures our wildlife faces. If the polar bear's habitat continues to shrink, will we see more pizzlies in the future? And what does this mean for the biodiversity of our planet? The world of hybrids is not just about the animals themselves, but also about the ethical questions they raise. How do we treat these animals? Are they to be viewed as curiosities, as solutions to problems, or as warning signs of what's to come? These are questions that society will need to grapple with as we continue to uncover the mysteries of hybrid animals. As we move forward, the world of hybrids continues to be an area of discovery, wonder, and ethical debate. The future of hybrids may be uncertain, but one thing's for sure: they will continue to captivate us, challenge us, and make us question our relationship with the natural world. As we come full circle, we return to the liger, the hybrid that first captured our imaginations. This astonishing creature, a blend of lion and tiger, is more than just a marvel of nature. It's a testament to the remarkable intricacies of life itself. Hybrids like the liger remind us of the endless possibilities that exist within the natural world. They are the living embodiments of adaptation, evolution, and survival, and yet their existence is not without controversy. The ethical considerations surrounding the creation of such creatures are complex and multifaceted. They force us to question our role and responsibility in the stewardship of our planet's biodiversity. The liger, and indeed all hybrids, play unique roles in the grand tapestry of life. They are a testament to the power of genetics, a showcase of nature's adaptability, and a symbol of the impact of environmental change. As we look to the future, we must grapple with the reality that our actions, from climate change to habitat destruction, can and will influence the course of evolution. But perhaps most importantly, hybrids serve as a potent reminder of the interconnectedness of all life. They challenge us to see beyond the boundaries of species, to appreciate the complex web of relationships that sustains our planet. They remind us that every creature, no matter how seemingly strange or unexpected, has a place in the grand scheme of things. As we ponder the future of hybrids, we must also reflect on our own role in this story. The choices we make today will shape the world of tomorrow. For the liger, for all hybrids, and indeed for all life on Earth. As we marvel at the liger and its fellow hybrids, we are reminded of the surprising, complex, and interconnected world of nature that we are privileged to share. This is our world, a world of endless wonder and infinite possibility. As we journey together through the surprising world of hybrid animals, let's remember to celebrate, respect, and safeguard this extraordinary circle of life.